Binigyang diin ng mga negosyante na malaki ang may tutulong ng Bangsamoro Basic Law sa pagtatamo ng katahimikan at kaunlaran sa Mindanao. Yan ang tinutukan namin kasama ang si George Bandola.
Hanggat hindi pa napipirmahan ang Bangsamoro Basic Law, hindi pa makakaranas ng kaunlaran ng Mindanao. Para sa mga negosyante, bagamat hinog na ang pagkamit ng kapayapaan sa Mindanao, kailangan muling dumaan sa proseso ang pamahalaan at Muslim rebels matapos ang pagyayari sa mga masapano. Matamang naghihinday din ang mga dayuhang namumuhunan hanggat walang linaw ang nangyari sa enkwentro.
Everybody should be able to trust each other. And the Masapano incident is one incident that has to be resolved. If there is any involvement, some effort has to be done to bring justice and bring. Otherwise, there will be the trust that is very necessary in an agreement will be lacking.
We like the Congress to support it and to approve it, the sooner the better. But that is as far as we're concerned. For the international businessman, they have a different outlook. They're not so sure whether signing this peace treaty will really guarantee peace. So that's something that we in the private sector and our government should work to guarantee, to make sure that the foreigner do trust what we're doing.
Malaki ang potensyal ng Mindanao sa sektor ng manufacturing bukod sa pagiging food basket nito. Pero para maabot ito, kailangan ng tiwala sa magkabilang sektor. Maging ang tulong ng ibang bansa ay kailangan ding makamit.
I think this is a solution that could only achieve if we also have the support of the international community, especially our Muslim brothers, because I believe they have more power, they could exert more pressure.
Business in Mindanao is moving, no? Because you cannot stop business while the BBL is being negotiated. What I'm saying is for the parties to have an open mind, to have develop a trust between them in order for this agreement to be very successful. No?
Paliwanag ng mga negosyante, hindi lamang ang Mindanao at pamahalaan ang naghahangad ng kapayapaan. Higit sa lahat ang mga mismong namumuhunan dahil matagal nang dapat dumami ang pamumuhunan sa sektor ng manufacturing at enerhiya doon. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.